In this video, I will show you how you can write on Pages on your iPad. To do that, first of all, just open the Pages app. And after you do that, you will arrive on the screen. From here, you can either open an existing document or you can tap on Start Writing. And after you do that, you will open a new document. Now to type on Pages, just tap on anywhere on the screen and you will be able to start typing just like that. Now to customize the typing experience, on the keyboard you will find a few tools. Like from here, you can change the alignment of the text. If you tap on this icon, you will be able to increase the font size just like that. And also you can align the text to wherever you want on the screen, just like that. Now finally, you have this icon over here. Now if you tap on it, you can have a line break. You can also do a section break. You can enter the date and time over here. And also you have a lot of other tools. If you want to add a shape, you can do it from here. And once you're satisfied with your file, just tap on the back icon over here and you will save the file to the Pages app, just like that. And this is how you can write on Pages on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.